Why does your scanner show the P0432 engine code? What does it mean? P0432 is a diagnostic trouble code for main catalyst efficiency below threshold, bank 2. The P0432 engine code indicates the catalytic converter on bank 2 is not efficiently converting harmful exhaust emissions into safer gases, as detected by the vehicle's computer. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Failed catalytic converter. Exhaust system leaks. Persistent misfires or engine running rich. Internal coolant or oil leaks. Faulty downstream oxygen sensor. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Jeep, Dodge, Chrysler, and Volvo. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.